Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to delete your Instagram account. So first, you need to tap Instagram app, tap your profile at the bottom right corner, and then tap the three lines at the top right corner where the option goes up and choose Settings. Tap Help option and tap Help Center. And after that, tap the three lines at the upper right corner again and tap Manage your account. Tap Delete your account. You can now see Delete your account and tap it. Tap Temporarily deactivate your account. Then tap Android app help and choose mobile browser help. Scroll down until you see Delete your Instagram account link. Tap again the Android app help and tap mobile browser. And scroll down again until you see the Delete your account link and tap it. So here you are now in the delete section where you can delete your account and choose why do you want to delete it. After that, re-enter your password and tap the delete button. So that's how you delete your Instagram account. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to notify you to our next tutorial.